Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does it take to get a court date for a civil case? That's one of the most common questions people have when they're thinking about filing a lawsuit, and the honest, but frustrating, answer is, it depends. There is no single timeline, and the process can range from a few months to several years. The first major factor is the court's jurisdiction and its caseload. A rural court in a less populated state might get you a trial date in under a year, while a busy urban court in a major city like Los Angeles or New York could have a backlog that pushes your date out for 2, 3, or even more years. The type of case you have is also critical. A straightforward small claims case, like a dispute with a landlord over a security deposit, is designed to be quick and might be heard in just a few months. On the other hand, a complex medical malpractice or multi-defendant business lawsuit involves a massive amount of evidence and procedure, which dramatically extends the timeline. After you file your initial complaint, the clock starts ticking, but not necessarily toward a trial date. First, the other party has to be served and given time to respond, which usually takes about 30 days. Then, the longest phase of most civil cases begins, discovery. This is the formal process where both sides gather evidence from each other. It involves sending written questions, requesting documents, and taking depositions, which are sworn testimonies outside of court. The discovery phase alone can easily last from 6 months to over a year, depending on how cooperative the parties are and how much information needs to be exchanged. During this time, lawyers might also file various motions with the court. For example, one side might file a motion to dismiss the case entirely. The other side gets time to respond, and then the judge has to schedule a hearing just to decide on that single motion. Every motion filed can add weeks or months to the overall timeline. Once discovery is mostly complete, the court will typically hold a scheduling conference. It's at this point that a judge will often set a firm trial date, but that date could still be many months away to allow time for final preparations and to fit into the court's crowded calendar. So, for a standard civil case like a car accident lawsuit, it's realistic to expect a timeline of 1 to 2 years from filing the case to actually stepping into a courtroom for trial. For more complex litigation, you could be looking at 3 to 5 years. Patience is an absolute necessity in the civil justice system. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more clear and simple explanations of the legal process.